Have you ever seen a dog dancing and wondered why? Sometimes dogs seem like they're dancing when they're actually trying to tell us something important. Dogs might dance if they feel itchy or have skin problems, or they might shake and move funny if they have an ear infection. It could also be a sign of allergies or even fleas making them uncomfortable. If your dog is dancing and seems uneasy, it's best to visit a vet. Always pay attention to your dog's dance moves. It might be their way of asking for help.